In the last session, we have learned what is accounting. In this session, we shall learn the classification of an account. Here, account is classified based on two approaches. One is the traditional approach, another is the modern approach. According to the traditional approach, the account is classified into real, personal and nominal, whereas according to the modern approach, it has 6 classifications: asset account, liability, capital, withdrawal account, revenue and expenses account. Let's see. Traditional approach, real account includes the account of all properties of the business. What real account includes? All those accounts which holds the properties of the business. Land account, building account, plant, machinery, cash, goods, maybe vehicle account, maybe patents, whatever is that. Whatever is the property of a business will be taken as a real account. Personal includes the accounts of all the persons. Persons, any account that is opened in the name of a person. Ram's account, Kumar's account, Mahesh's account. Any account opened in the name of a person means an individual, a company, a HUF, a partnership firm, a local authority, all will come under the personal accounts. ABC Limited bank account, X and Y sons account, etc. Nominal. It includes those accounts which deals with income, expenses and losses, like salary, rent, interest and discount. So this is the traditional approach. I am just giving you a brief idea about it, because as we proceed further, this thing we are going to learn in detail. Before we learn the golden rules of accounting, this is what we learn in detail. We'll also see in the further sessions what is income, what is expense, what is loss, everything. What do you mean by this properties and all, everything in detail we'll see. I'm just giving a brief explanation regarding classification of an account. So according to traditional approach, it is classified in real, personal, nominal. Basically, for time being, you remember, real account deals with properties. Personal account deals with the accounts of persons. Nominal account deals with the accounts of income, expense and loss. Now, modern approach. First, it starts with asset account. Asset means the properties belonging to the business. What is asset? Nothing but the properties belonging to the business. So, any accounts like land, say buildings, machinery, stock, cash, all comes under asset account. What is asset? Properties belonging to the business and also money is receivable. All properties account will be opened here. Liability. Liability means amount payable. What is liability? Amounts payable. What business owed to others is called as a liability. Like, the best example is a bank loan. Bank loan is a liability. Any loan taken, we have to repay back, and what we have to repay is a liability. Apart from bank loan, we can also take it as bank overdraft. There are many other liabilities. There are bills payable, there are creditors, so many liabilities are there. Step by step, we'll see that. Capital account. Capital is nothing but the owner's account, what we also call as owner's equity. So, capital account deals with the amount invested by the owner in the business. And the account that we open here, this is also called as, I repeat, this is also called as owner's equity or equity account. And the account to be opened here is the only one, that is capital account, which shows the dealings of the proprietor in the business. Withdrawal accounts. Now, many number of times it so happens in case of partnership firm or a joint stock company, the amount what is invested is withdrawn by the partners in the partnership firm. The amount, say for example, they have invested capital something 1 lakh each. Some of the partners withdraw 20,000 from the business. They have withdrawn. That is called as withdrawal account. And withdrawal account includes drawings. We never open account as withdrawal account. Classification is withdrawal account. But that withdrawal in accounting is called as drawings. When a person in a sole proprietorship business or a partner in a partnership business withdraws money from the business for his private use, withdraws money, not only money, withdraws cash or any asset for his private use, we call that as drawings. Nothing but withdrawal account. Revenue. Revenue is the income. Any accounts like interest, which is received from the bank, maybe discount earned sometimes, any kind of commission received, are all called as income accounts. Expenses. Basically, expense means what? Money spent. In accounting, expense is money spent to earn income. Money spent in anticipation of income, we call it as expense, like salary account, rent account, wages account, any advertisement account, etc. Money spent will be taken as expenditure. So this is the classification of an account. I repeat, traditional approach has three: real, personal and nominal. Modern approach, asset account, liability account, capital account, withdrawal account, income and expense. Income is also called as revenue. Capital is also called as owner's equity. This is what one should remember. Now, say for example, this bank loan. You have taken a bank loan of rupees 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs to purchase a house. House purchased is your property. It is taken as asset. But there is a loan. Loan of rupees 50 lakhs. This 50 lakh loan is your liability. Why? Because still you have to pay that. What we have to pay is a liability. Say for example, out of this 50 lakhs, 30 lakhs loan is still outstanding, and of this 20 lakh loan is paid. How much loan you have paid? 20 lakhs. How much still we have to pay? 30 lakhs. So now the question arises, what is the equity of the owner in the house? Equity of the owner is not full 50 lakhs because house is of 50 lakhs. But of that 50 lakhs, there is a loan of 30 lakhs. How much is paid of that? 20 lakhs. Owner's equity is 20 lakhs. Owner is, we can say that, owner has a right in the house only for 20 lakh rupees. No doubt, once he pays this full 30 lakh rupees, what is outstanding? He becomes the owner of entire house. His equity at that time becomes 50 lakh rupees. This is how the liability and equity we have to understand. Now, as we proceed further, each and every term of this in the coming sessions we'll see. In this session, we have learned what is classification of account. In the next session, we shall learn some basic terms in accounting. Thank you.